everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at rounding error. So we're going to cover two types of rounding error, which is called absolute error, and there's also something called relative error. So let's start with absolute error. So let's start with a random number like 402, and let's say we rounded this to the nearest whole number. Now the range of what the real value could have been would be from 401.5 to somewhere about 402.4. So these are the two brackets that this number has been rounded from. So you can say the most absolute error that could happen over here would be 402 minus 401.5. So whatever is the difference over here would be our error, and that turns out to be 0.5. So this is going to be our absolute error for here. Basically, the formula for this is dx, so delta x, is equal to positive value of x 0 minus x. So this is the positive value, where this x0 is our measured value or our rounded value, and this is our true value. Now let's look at relative error. Now, to start with, what the formula for relative error is dx, which is absolute error, divided by the true value, and that is going to be our relative error. So let's say we have got a number like 400, and actually let's not do it in the hundreds, let's just start simple and say we have got 15, and we have rounded that to the nearest 5. Now, the values for this can be anywhere from 13 to 17. Now, let's say we have rounded this up from 13, okay? So, our true value is going to be 13, and our rounded value is 15. Going back to our formula, we're going to plug in 13. So basically 15 minus 13 divided by 13. So that's going to be 2 by 13, and that is going to be our relative error for here. Normally, if you're just working and you're showing how much error there could be in your answer, and you're rounding, say, to the nearest whole number, you would write something like plus minus 0.5, because that's the difference you can have between your answer. And you can use your relative error as well to show that sometimes, but you can normally go with your absolute error over there. And that is kind of the basics around rounding error. So I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!